Okay, so let's look at book. Let's look at the noun. Monday, nouns, book. So words written together, together, like a story or instructions. So a story, Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, a fairy tale, even a fairy tale. Fairy tale, yeah. That's very good. Fairy tale. So we could then say, these books are old. These books are old. These, more than one. These books are old. And this book, let's have a look. This book, let's say, this book is my favourite. My favourite. The one I like the most. Favourite. Makes sense. Favourite. Or book also means when you decide to go for something. Like, no, we'll book it. That one. We'll take it. I will book an appointment with the nurse. I'm thinking when to have the meeting. We'll book it for next Monday. Yes, we'll book it for next week. We have an appointment booked with them next week. And these books need organising because these books here, these books are important. I need to read these books. I will read these books. I will book a meeting with them soon. Book it. Which day? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Ah, Monday. We'll take it. Yeah. How cool is that? So I booked a table earlier. You get to the restaurant. I booked a table earlier. I booked a reservation. I booked reservation for 7. I booked a table for 9. Booked. Do you think this book is easy? Do you think reading this book is easy? Easy? Or is it going to be difficult? Hard? Difficult? So we could say then, let's change that, what happened here? Yeah, easy. Easy. Or hard or difficult. Yeah, yeah, that noise came perfect time. It came at the perfect time, so hard. Hard. Let's change that. Hard. Or difficult. Yeah, difficult. Difficult, not easy. Yeah, how can we do it? It's difficult, not easy. It's going to be tedious to learn. Yeah. So, eventually, this book will be written. So I have an idea for a few books. I want to write them. And eventually, it will be written. Yes. It will be written. It will exist. It will be published. Yeah. Yeah, so my book will be written. And then I will book a meeting with my accountant. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So, can you write book in a sentence? Put it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos every day. And you can find me on Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And Udemy, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.